Hi, Mama.
Hi, Hana.
Welcome to the vlog. We're having a vlog today.
Where are we going?
In Kaiserling Museum.
Schön. Ist eine große heute bis zu einer Zeit.
Let's go. Let's get. Hey guys, as you can see here, these are the price list in August Horse Museum. So we paid 13 euro per person, and it's a whole day. So you can enjoy and explore here the different cars from old to latest one, and you can enjoy the daily ticket they have. And you will see the different cars and autos that they reserve here. So let's explore, guys. So the August Horse Museum Zwickau is an automobile museum located in Zwickau, Saxony, Germany. It was opened in 2004. It covers the history of automobile construction in Zwickau, the early history of Porsche and Audi, their eventual incorporation into Auto Union in 1932, and ending with the company relocation to Ingolstadt after World War II, from where the modern-day Audi company evolved.
Oh, this is Horschau.
Number set. Audi is starting here, and then they go to Ingolstadt. Auto Union and short Audi.
Look at that.
The museum also documents the factory's later role in manufacturing the Trabant during the Cold War era, German Democratic Republic, and its eventual rebirth under the ownership of Volkswagen. The museum is housed within the former factory where August Horch established Auto Automobilwerke GmbH in 1910. Its owner and operator is a non-profit making company owned in equal shares by Audi AG in the town of Zwickau. When August Horch named his new Zwickau-based company back in 1909, he translated his surname into Latin, and Audi was born. In Zwickau, visitors can see, hear, and smell the pioneering spirit and ingenuity at the heart of the automotive brand, dating back more than 100 years. In 1932, Saxony automotive brands Horch, Audi, Wanderer, and DKW joined forces as Auto Union, with 4 rings as their logo. After the war, the compact Trabant model was produced at the Zwickau factory. Today, the old Audi factory is the site of the August Horch Museum, where visitors can experience every aspect of automotive development and history over an area of 6,500 square meters. The museum is home to more than 200 major exhibits, with around 110 of those including lots of prototypes. In the permanent exhibition, historical backdrops such as an old petrol station set the scene beautifully. There's even a constructed in 1930 street, featuring a little shop and many shop windows alongside all the cars. And you can also explore the former home of manufacturer August Horch as it's right by the main entrance of the museum.
Grabe, ang ganda.
Grabe yung amazing to.
The August Horch Museum offers two types of English-speaking tours through the museum. You may choose between a personally guided tour and or
Grabe yun.
our audio guidance system. The audio guide is also
the machine
available in
inside
Polish
na.
and Czech
Enjoy.
language.
Ah, this is the pedals.
And here the gear shift and I said to him, this is not nothing changed, just a little bit smaller now.
From Horch to Audi. So this is the limousine, guys. 1930 Horch. Grabe. Laki. Laki niya, guys. Ang laki ng gulong. Fire. Fire there. 19, ano yan? 1919. 1932. Ang galing. Ano siya? Grabe. Ano yan? Ano yan? Oh, sosyal. Ano yan? Army?
Polizei.
Ah, Pulisay. Pulisay. Ang sosyal naman. Ang ganda ng ano, seat nila. Pulisay auto. Pulisay auto. Audi.
So on this part, you will see the office of the secretary
Haben wir noch eine?
and the president or the owner before of the August Horch. So that's him. That's his office. All the office here.
Sehr angenehm.
He's drinking. Ito, wife niya?
So I really enjoy our tour here. And this one of my favorite auto
Ganda, grabe.
I see here in this museum. It's like a caramel auto.
1904, 1930.
But then it's an old limousine in the old century. I like the color, guys. It's like a caramel. So cute and amazing. Also, this part, you will see the sports car
Model. Ganda ng model.
model that they use in the old century. Also, this kind of limousine
For rich.
where the rich people can afford. So beautiful and elegant and interessant. So this part, my husband is explaining how they put their corpor or the luggage or baggage in the old auto.
Ah, that's the old couple.
Because Mama said,
Milo, what is this? Ang galing nito. Old tanks. Ang galing. Ang grabe, ang ganda niya. Tingnan natin yung loob. Grabe yung gulo niya.
vor der Ocean. Wow.
Ah, siya.
Da kommt goldene Paula, Traktor.
Can work na din pala yung mga pharaoh noong 1939. But they're the lowest salary. Ah, kasi they're in the wars. The man is in the war. So the girls learn to build a car. Ang galing. 1933, 19... Ay, oo nga. During ano yan? World War II. 1933, 1945. Galing. Galing ng motor, no? 19, ano yan? 1945.
Doch, das ist ein
1945. So, 1945 siya, guys.
Guck mal, die Kupplung und die Innenseite.
Akala ko guys, tapos na kami. Galing. Hmm? Ano yan? Abteil. The bank, Rennwagen.
So in this area, you can see how they process some part of the auto,
Ledger.
and you can see as well the old ledger that they preserve and maintain here in the museum. It's really interesting, guys. Especially Kai, my husband, really enjoyed the tour here. He's really a fan of every auto. And you can see here as well how they work, the employees, how much the earnings in this year, 1935, and what can you buy on the earnings that
What you can buy.
they give you. It's really preserved, guys. You can see here in the museum.
Salary nung
Mit den Geräten,
1935.
dass du dann dir auch nicht viel leisten könntest.
DKV. (1929) Oh. Wow. 1933. Laden. Eh? Ah, ja genau. Fresh milk. North Cubes, guys, nung unang panahon. Flash blue. Cool. Posporo.
Milchkriege.
19... This year. Ah, 1830. Ah, 1831? This is the normal.
So waren die Themengeschäfte früher. Selbst die DDR-Zeit. Aber mit Häuser, aber das
Tabako.
kriegst du alles.
Tabako, guys.
Da kriegst du alles.
Galing ito guys. Oh. Tatlo lang gulong. Tatlo lang gulong niya. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo lang gulong niya. 1939. 1939. Galing. Tatlo lang gulong niya. Galing. Good for 2. Pero good for 2 pa din siya. Galing. Galing. Tatlo lang gulong niya. Ang galing ito. 1925 model.
Voor de gas en voor de motor, zeg het.
Später hat er dann 10 Stunden.
Ang galing. Workstat. DKV. Ganda, kape.
So guys, it's really worth it to visit here in this museum. It's for family. You can bring your girlfriend, your boyfriend here, and both of you or your whole family and your kids will enjoy how they preserve and maintain the old autos. Even me guys, it's really amazed me because I never thought that I can experience this kind of thing. Before, I just only saw this in TV or in films, but now I'm seeing this in real, how they preserve the old autos, and it becomes a history, diba? It's really interessant. Your kids or your whole family will enjoy here, especially my husband and my mother-in-law. We really enjoy our day here, spending bonding moment here in the museum and seeing the old autos. So guys, if you're asking if they have a restaurant here, in case you get hungry or your kids, yeah, they have a restaurant located as well inside of this museum. Like us, we got hungry, not only sightseeing. Of course, we do a lunch date as well here inside of the museum. So we will enjoy first our food guys, and it's gonna be the last part that we will share for this vlog. We will enjoy first our sightseeing and bonding moments here. So thank you guys, and hope you enjoy our vlog today, and God bless and choose.